A few things of crypto swap strategy that beginners need to understand. If you are one of the newcomers to cryptocurrency investment, you need to understand many things about crypto swap strategy. It is necessary to know all about this matter before attempting to do anything significant. Without it, the entire investment can end up in a bust of nothing to gain. Join a class or course on that matter. When it comes to the matter of cryptocurrency swapping business, it involves many things. Therefore, the best way to learn about that stuff is by joining either a class or a course. An example of a mentoring to join is the Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind. It covers everything from the fundamental aspects of this business to the best strategies for everyone. Starters will find it beneficial to sign up for this course without a doubt. Of course, in terms of the crypto swap strategy, it requires practice in the real world. It is not enough to know everything by theory. Implementing the understanding in an actual situation will train beginners to get the hang of it. Yet, it remains a top-notch opportunity to understand as many things as possible through the course. It can be tough to learn all about it without a comprehensive class. Pick the best platform for the swap. There are numerous choices of crypto swap platforms that anyone can consider. That makes it rather tricky to decide which one to go for it. It gets worse if you are lacking experience in doing this matter. Fortunately, there are many places to look for information on this. There are many comparison guides all over the web that will provide a bit of background information. The most crucial thing in choosing a platform is the one that offers the highest level of security. Regardless of the crypto swap strategy in mind, dealing with it on a safe platform is always better. It minimizes the chance of losing anything during the swapping. More importantly, it guarantees that the trading or swapping will benefit the users. Keep in mind that there are fees to pay when using one of the available platforms for this thing. Understand the necessity of swapping the cryptocurrency. It is the trickiest part when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. Swapping it too soon or too long can deliver a different outcome. Therefore, it is crucial to understand the necessity of doing it. For sure, it requires careful consideration of everything about it. It takes time to build the necessary skill to decide the perfect moment for the trade. It eventually refers back to the importance of understanding all about cryptocurrency business or investing. Among the many options of strategy on this matter, there are some of the best ones. The so-called RSI divergence, golden cross, and dollar cost averaging are the recommended ones to consider. With a class like the Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind, choosing one of those strategies will not be a problem. In the end, the right choice of the crypto swap strategy will determine the success or failure of investing in this matter. Visit link below in the description to learn more.